good time. This time let's crochet this cute placemat with a dinosaur design and a smiley face. For this project I'm using natural cotton yarn. It's 100% cotton. And also I've used 3.5mm hook for the placemat, and for the details I've used 2.5mm hook. Okay, so let's start. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is not considered as one stitch, so don't count it. Make 16 double crochet into the ring. Two, 3, 4, 5, 16. Close the ring. These are the 3 chains I made at first. The first chain is here, it's a bit invisible. The second and the third chain. The third chain is this one. Insert the hook into this third chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. And make a slip stitch. Hook. This is the third chain. Insert the hook. Take the yarn, pull it through, and pull it through this loop too. Now look at here. This is the 3 chains, and this is my first double crochet. And here I have the stitch. Right after the third chain, it's the top of my first double crochet here. Okay, let the yarn stay at the back side. Insert the yarn into the first double crochet this way. Bring this loop on the hook and pull it through this stitch. Round 2, chain 1. In this round and next rounds, I'm using only the back loops. Look at here, for example. Every stitch has 2 loops. One is in front of me, the other is in the back side. I'm using the back loops. Okay. After chaining 1, look here. This is my stitch, my first stitch, right in front of this chain. Get here again. This is my chain and this is my first stitch. And I'm using its back loop. Insert the hook into the back loop of this chain, take the yarn and make a single crochet. Chain 1. This chain 1, single crochet and chain 1 is considered as one double crochet. I have one double crochet right now. Into the next stitch, back loop, make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet into each stitch, back loop only. And repeat this pattern by the end of round. At the end I have 31 double crochet, and as you remember, in each stitch we made 2 double crochet, but the first stitch is just 1 double crochet, which is a standing single crochet. In fact, this is a stitch, this is 1 stitch, so I have to make my last stitch into the first stitch. Look at here, this place, I consider this place here to make my last double crochet, this one. It's right the place I made my first double crochet. So now I have 2 double crochet into each stitch. Okay, and this is my standing single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Here I'm joining my circle. This is actually my standing single crochet, and this is my first double crochet. Okay, this is the top of my first double crochet. I'm inserting my hook into the previous stitch here. Actually, this is the top of the standing single crochet. Insert the hook, take the yarn, pull it through the loop, and now leave the yarn behind. Go into the top of the first double crochet, put the loop on the hook and pull it through. And this is round 2. Round 3, chain 1, insert the hook into first stitch, back loop, and make a standing single crochet. Make 1 double crochet into next stitch, back loop, 2 double crochet into next stitch, back loop, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet into next stitch, 2 double crochet into next. In fact, we are increasing here. And this pattern continues by the end of the round. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And at the end of each round, we have 16 double crochet extra. 16 double crochets are added. At the end of the round 3, we get here, I have my 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and now it's the time for my 2 double crochet. I've made 1 before, and now I'm adding 1 right here next to the first standing single crochet. My standing single crochet, it's top, and my first double crochet, it's here. And this is round 3. Round 4, chain 1, standing single crochet, chain 1. Okay, now 1 double crochet next stitch, 1 double crochet next, and 2 double crochet next. The pattern is like this: 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2, 1 1 2, 1 1 2, 1 1 2. Just continue this way: 1 1 2 double crochet, 1 1 2. This is at the end my 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet. Here I have 1. I need to add another one here. In fact, at the beginning of each round we have 1 increase. It's right here. I'm making my last stitch. Okay. In fact, I have double crochet, increase, double crochet, increase. This is the pattern for this round. Okay, now I slip stitch into first standing single crochet and then into first double crochet. Okay, and this is round 4 over. At the beginning of each round, chain 1, make a standing single crochet, okay, for this round 5, I need to have 3 double crochet, 1 increase, double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet or increase. So the pattern is 1 1 1 2, 1 1 1 2, 3 double crochet, 1 increase, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, increase. So just repeat the pattern by the end of the round: 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and increase. At the end, don't forget to have your last double crochet into the first stitch or next to this standing single crochet here. You should put it right here, don't forget it. And count the number of stitches in each round. In each round we add 16 double crochet. And when you did this round and made your last double crochet here, then slip a stitch on top of the first standing single crochet and then into the top of the first double crochet here, and then again start next round. For example, in this round I'm having 3 double crochet, 1 increase, 3 double crochet, 1 increase. For next round I'm having 4 double crochet increase, next round 5 double crochet increase, 6 double crochet increase. Just repeat this pattern until you reach the desired length. I've made another circle previously. Of course the yarn is a bit different, a bit thinner. And look at here, this is my first, second, third, fourth, and fifth round. Okay, in this round I'm having 4 double crochet increase, next round 5 double crochet increase, next round 6 double crochet increase, and it goes on and on. When you reach the desired length, for the last round chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in back loops only of each stitch. 1 single crochet in back loop only. At the end, insert the hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. The circle placemat is over, and for the details, for the eyes, the teeth, checks, hands, and this part, and also the tail, watch the next tutorial, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.